If you like your frisbee golf with extra hazards, now's the time to come to the River Parks Trail here in Tulsa. Play our golf course, our frisbee golf course. I can hear disc golfers saying, "Brah, you should have seen the gnarly hazards in Tulsa back in 2023. No turkeys to be had, but plenty of escape shots after that tornado-like Father's Day storm." Not sure why they talk like they're surfers. Now see this par 12 tee earlier in the day from the other side. Look at all of the hard work going on. There were 50 places just on this River Parks bike trail where fallen trees were blocking the pathway. Look at all the vehicles just for this one area. Thank you for all your hard work, everyone. And here's that same area looking from the road.